Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glass tabletop anti-slip pads is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for anyone who owns a glass tabletop. These seemingly simple pads can transform your dining or coffee table experience, preventing frustrating slips and slides of plates, glasses, and other items while protecting your beautiful glass surface from scratches and damage. In this video, we'll explore the world of anti-slip pads, helping you find the perfect fit for your glass table and lifestyle. Number 5. Glass Tabletop Anti-Slip Pads. These pads have a super sticky back, so they'll stay put. They're also made of soft, eco-friendly material, so they're safe for your home and the environment. You get 18 pads in a variety of sizes. They're perfect for all sorts of things, from glass tabletops to cutting boards and more. These bumpers cushion and protect your furniture. They soften the sound of slamming doors and prevent scratches and sliding. Applying them is a breeze. Simply peel and stick. They're nearly invisible once applied, and they peel off cleanly without leaving residue. We're so confident you'll love these pads that we offer a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, just contact us. What we like? It boasts a strong adhesive backing ensuring it stays put. This pack offers many sizes, perfect for various uses. If you need cushioning and protection for your glass table or other furniture, this is the best choice for you. What people say. The adhesive backing on these bumpers is strong and reliable. Once applied, they firmly adhere to the desired surface, preventing slippage and adding stability. I appreciate the clear design, as it blends seamlessly with the glass surface, making the bumpers virtually invisible. The medium size of these bumpers, 20.6 mm, is ideal for a range of applications. They offer adequate cushioning and protection without being overly bulky. I have been using them on delicate glass surfaces, and they have effectively prevented scratches and damage. These work better than expected. Nice now that my computer doesn't slide all over the place. Number 4. Glass Tabletop Anti-Slip Pads. These non-adhesive bumpers are perfect for keeping your glass, plastic, or wood items from sliding around. They provide a secure hold without any messy adhesives. You get 20 of these versatile pads in each pack. They're great for glass tabletops, cutting boards, laptops, and more. Made from soft, eco-friendly polyurethane, these pads are safe for your furniture and the environment. They won't leave any marks or damaged surfaces. Applying them is a breeze. Just place the smooth side on your furniture and the ridged side on your glass. They're practically invisible once in place. We're committed to providing high-quality products. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to help. What we like? These pads provide excellent anti-slip protection without any adhesive. The large pack is great value. If you prioritize eco-friendly materials and a non-adhesive solution, this is ideal for you. What people say. Used it for my glass dining table. Quality was so good, size are good, fought and clear, very nicely protect my glass top table from shaking, thick and it's not visible looks so good. Holds the glass top very well. Easy to put on. The bumper pads work well, don't slip, and as they stick to the furniture surface, they almost disappear. This is a great product. Number 3. Glass Tabletop Bumpers. Say goodbye to noisy glass tabletops and scratched furniture. These bumpers provide a gentle cushion and secure grip. This set includes 75 bumpers in 5 different sizes to fit your various needs. Make sure to check the dimensions before ordering. Made from a soft, semi-transparent rubber, they offer excellent grip and protection. They're gentle on your furniture and prevent scratches. No more annoying clangs and bangs. These bumpers significantly reduce noise when moving glass or closing cabinets and drawers. Keep your glass tabletop secure and in place. They create a protective barrier and prevent accidental slippage. Use them on glass tables, cabinets, drawers, and more. They're perfect for adding cushioning and reducing noise in various applications. What we like? It comes in various sizes to fit your needs and is made of soft rubber. It effectively reduces noise from sliding glass. If you need a variety of sizes and noise reduction, this is perfect for you. What people say. The quantity and size variety of the bumpers alleviated going to a brick and mortar store multiple times. Screw and clear rubber bolts in 3 sizes. Exactly as described by seller. I had 1-inch stainless steel clamps to attach a borosilicate glass to an aluminum plate. These worked well as I can tighten the clamps and the glass won't move and the clamps won't scratch the surface. At 120°C the nylon will hold up beautifully. Number 2. Glass tabletop anti-slip bumpers. Tired of your glass tabletop sliding around? These silicone bumpers provide a secure grip without damaging your furniture. They're easy to use and keep everything in place. Unlike other solutions, these pads don't require any messy adhesives. Simply place them between the glass and your table for a stable and secure fit. They work on various surfaces. These soft silicone pads protect both your glass tabletop and your furniture from scratches and damage. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your surfaces are safe. Installation is a breeze. Just place the bumpers between your glass and the table. They're small, discreet, and highly effective. This convenient 20-pack provides ample protection for your glass tabletop. You'll have plenty to use on all corners and edges. Measuring 0.79 inches in diameter and 0.12 inches thick, they're small enough to be discreet yet effective enough to prevent slipping. They're perfect for any glass table. What we like? These silicone pads are non-adhesive and provide a stable hold. They won't damage your furniture. If you prefer a simple, non-adhesive solution that's gentle on surfaces, this is for you. What people say. I got these anti-slip bumpers to keep a glass tabletop from sliding around on its metal base, and it is securely in place now. Nice pads. I used on glass coffee table. The glass is stable and levels well with the soft pads. These are good quality and worked great. Number 1. Glass tabletop bumpers. Tired of your glass tabletop shifting and sliding? These soft bumpers provide a secure hold without any messy adhesives. They're practically invisible once applied, preserving the beauty of your glass and furniture. These reusable bumpers leave no trace behind. Easily remove and reposition them as needed. Simply place them between your tabletop and glass. The size is just right for a secure and snug fit. Use them on dining tables, coffee tables, desks, or even laptops, anywhere you need to prevent scratches and slipping. Made from high-quality materials, they provide excellent anti-slip performance for glass, plastic, ceramic, and more. What we like? These pads are extremely soft and transparent, blending seamlessly with your furniture. They leave no residue upon removal. If you value a nearly invisible, residue-free solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They are crystal clear and grab onto the glass, which stops it from moving. There is no adhesive on the bumpers, which is good, so the tabletop is not damaged. They do a great job of gripping the glass. Perfect little sticky things. They work well and look great, providing space and traction so a glass surface doesn't move off the table below. I put them between a plexiglass top and a wood table and they worked perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.